Let's talk about rationalizing fractions. Let's look at an example. Let's say we have 3 divided by root 2. Rationalizing fractions consists basically just removing the radical from the denominator. We never want it to be in the denominator. It's okay if it's in the numerator, it just can't be in the denominator. To do something like this, we would want to square the thing that we have. This would give us 9 divided by 2. But this doesn't keep the fraction the same. We want to rationalize the fraction, basically remove the radical, but we want to keep the fraction the same. So to rationalize it, what we're going to do is we're going to multiply it by root 2 divided by root 2. Root 2 divided by root 2 is just 1 because both the numbers are the same. So what we're going to do is we're going to multiply the top and the bottom. So we have 3 root 2, and over here we have root 2 squared. So this is going to be 3 root 2 divided by 2. So this is our final answer. Let's look at another example. Let's say we have 6 divided by root 3. So just like last time, we're going to multiply it by root 3 divided by root 3, which is just 1. So this is going to be 6 root 3 divided by root 3 squared. So this is going to be 6 root 3 divided by 9, or rather divided by 3, and this is going to be equal to 2 root 3. So that's our final answer. Let's look at another example. So let's try 7 divided by 3 plus root 6. Now this is slightly more complicated. So to solve this type of problem, you need to use the a square minus b square equals a minus b times a plus b identity. So what you're going to do is you want to multiply it by a minus b because you have a plus b. So you have 3 plus root 6, and you'll want to multiply by 3 minus root 6, and this will be a squared minus b squared. A squared is 9, b squared is 6. So we know what we need to multiply it by. We multiply it by 3 minus root 6. Like that. So this is going to be, we can use the distributive property here. So this is going to be 21 minus 7 root 6 divided by, and we know what this equals since we did it right here. It's 9 minus 6. 9 minus 6 is 3. So this is our final answer. 7 divided by 3 plus root 6 is going to be 21 minus 7 root 6 divided by 3. Let's look at another example. Let's say we have 4 divided by 2 plus root 2. So, just like last time, we want to get it to be a squared minus b squared. A squared minus b squared equals a plus b times a minus b. Right here, we have a plus b. And so we'll want to multiply by a minus b. And this will be equal to a squared, which is 4 minus b squared, which is 2. So we're going to multiply it by 2 minus root 2, 2 minus root 2. Again, we use the distributive property here. So this is going to be 8 minus 4 root 2. Then, when we multiply these out, we're going to get 4 minus 2, which is 2. Then we can simplify this. So we take out 2 on the top. So 4 minus 2 root 2 divided by 2. So all I did was I took 2 out from here, and this lets me simplify it further. So this is going to be 4 minus 2 root 2. So this is our final answer. Now, rationalizing fractions can be difficult, so this requires a lot of practice. I've linked a practice worksheet and its answers in the comment section, so make sure to go check those out.